Welcome to the short tutorial about pip, the Python package installer revealing everything about pip that you wanted to know to get started. Here are some of the important facts about pip. Pip is a reverse acronym and it stands for Pip Installs Packages. Pip is used to install and manage Python modules and libraries. Pip is included with Python, Python version 2.7.9 and later, and Python version 3.4 and later. Pip3 is the official package manager, and pip command for Python 3. Here are more details and actual commands about how you can use pip for your everyday operations. Pip syntax is pip followed by command and options. For example, to install or uninstall requests module, you can simply use these commands. Pip install requests dot pip uninstall requests. Package install options. Pip allows packages to source from other repositories than default PyPy repo. Here are 3 examples of installing Python packages from alternate locations. Number 1. Install packages from another directory on your local system. Pip install -e path to project. Number 2. Install packages from Git. Pip install followed by your project name and Git URL and path. Number 3. Install packages from alternative package repositories. Pip install --index URL followed by URL of the repository. Upgrade existing packages. Use -u option to upgrade to newer version from an older version. To upgrade existing requests package to latest one, use this command. Pip install -u requests. Specify package version. Use == operator to specify package version. To specify version, 2.28.2 for requests package. Use the command pip install requests == 2.28.2. Install multiple packages. Provide space-separated list of packages to pip install command. For example, to install 3 packages, use command pip install package 1, package 2, package 3. Use requirement file. You can put all project packages list in a text file to install all at the start of project. Specify -r flag to the install command and file name with package list. Pip install -r requirements.txt. Here are some important pip commands for your reference. Install packages. Download packages. Uninstall packages. List installed packages. Show installed pkg info. Check, verify dependencies. Search PyPy for packages. Help, show help for commands. Here are some common pip options. -h, -help. Show help. -isolated. Ignoring env. Variables and user config. -v, -verbose. Give more output -v, -version. Show version and exit. -q, -quiet. Give less output. Thanks for watching, hope it makes your pip understanding clear. Please like and subscribe to see more videos like this. See you in next video.